Welcome to our video on the NCS 4000 friction note counter. This machine is the top of the range machine and is a pocket sorter, and by this we mean it has a top tray at the top here, or pocket as we call it, for off sorting notes or for reject notes. The bottom tray here at the bottom is for the counted notes. So here you can see that we're in Sterling mode and we're in mix mode. So in this mode there's no off sorting unless it spots forgery markers on the notes. We simply place the notes in, completely mixed. The machine will simply count all the mixed notes. We can report on this, and this here will give a breakdown of the denomination, the amount counted and the value. And because this is a 4000, this also has the ability to have an integrated printer, which will allow us to repeat the display. The next mode for this is the count mode. The count mode is a simple basic mode that when you place the notes in the machine, it will simply count the notes going through. No value in this or used in this position, but as you can see 55 pieces have gone through the machine. The next mode on this machine that we can go to is the single mode. In this mode it will look at the first note being counted through the machine, and then the other note it will get off sorted. This is ideal if you want to actually sort your notes. So as again, simply place the notes in. And as we can see, the top pocket has all the off sorted notes, in this case 5s and 10s, and the bottom tray has all the 20s. The next position this has is a face mode. Now what this does is it actually sorts the notes into the right way up. So again, simply put it into face mode, place your now sorted notes into the top again, and it's selected it, so that now we can see that the face of the notes are all up the same way. The final position this has is an orientation mode. So again, we can put the notes in, place the notes back in again. It's looked at each note, and now we can simply remove the notes, turn them over, and now all our notes are now facing the right way, and so is the orientation also correct. The machine has all these features for US dollars and for euros. Thank you for watching this video on our NCS 4000.